the cookie exchange.
LD gingerbread, number 1. CR.
What's LD stand for?
Lorenzo Lavazzo.
Okay.
Sit up.
Gingerbread, 1. CR. Cristiano Ramirez. Chocolate chip cookie, number 2. LL. Lorenzo Luis. Oatmeal cookies. GM. Grandpa Morales. PB&J cookies, number 4.
What's PGM cookies?
PB&J.
PB&J. What is that? Peanut butter and jelly.
JS.
Jaime Sandoval.
Jaime Alves. Oreo,
No,
number
baby.
5.
Jaime.
Jaime Alves. Oreo, number 5.
What is he making, Oreos?
Yep.
How do you make Oreos?
Well, it's simple. Well, if you don't know how to make Oreos,
Keep looking at
if you don't know how to make Oreos, it's simple, guys.